Good morning, everyone. Today my topic is high-speed transport, and today I'm talking about the one of the emerging technologies in the world that we call hyperloop. It's called the fifth form of transportation. Hyperloop is a new form of transportation between long distances. Hyperloop is proposed by Elon Musk, American business investor and inventor. He proposed this transportation system to the route from Los Angeles region to San Francisco Bay Area. The high-level alpha design for the Hyperloop system was published on August 12, 2013. Hyperloop consists of a low-pressure tube with the capsules that are transported at both low and high speeds throughout the length of tube. A hyperloop would be an elevated reduced pressure tube that contains pressurized capsule driven within the tube by a number of linear electric motors. A high-speed train that promises travel at twice the speed of commercial aircraft, transporting passengers from Los Angeles to San Francisco in just 30 minutes. This system can be achieved average speed of 598 miles per hour to top speed of 760 miles per hour. As hyperloop consists of low pressure tube with the capsules that are transported at both high and low and high speeds throughout the length of tube. Diagram showing the speeds with the different times. So in a hyperloop, passengers may enter and exit hyperloop at the station located either at the end of tube or the branches along the tube. You can see the diagram showing the arrangement of seats and the people sitting in the hyperloop. Now we talk about the components of hyperloop transportation system. First is capsule, tube, propulsion, route. As we talk about the first component called capsule. This is the diagram showing the capsule and the different parts from starting to the end. So the capsule is has a maximum width is 4.4 feet, approximately 1.35 meter, and a maximum height of 6.11 feet, 1.10 meter, with the rounded corners, and this is equivalent to 15 feet frontal area, not including any propulsion or suspension components. A capsule carrying 28 passengers each time travel along the interior of the tube, depart on every 2 minutes from Los Angeles to San Francisco. The capsule are accelerated by magnetic linear accelerator fixed at various stations on a low pressure tube with the rotors contained in each capsule. For travel at high speed, the greatest power requirement is normally to overcome air resistance. Now we talk about the second component of transportation system, tube. The diagram shows the tube connected with the pillars, and the top of the tube there is a solar arrays. The tube cross section area is 42.2 feet, 3.91 meter approx, giving a capsule or a tube area ratio of 36 or a diameter ratio of 60%. The tube is made of steel. Two tubes will be welded together in a side-by-side conformation to allow the capsule to travel in both directions. Pylons are placed every 30 meters to support the tube. Solar arrays will cover the top of the tubes in order to provide the power to the system. A pressure inside the tube will be maintained around 100 Yeah, this is called the less pressure because less pressure used to in the tube to give him a high speed. Now we talk about the tube construction. The tube will be supported by pillars. Average spacing is 30 meters between each pillar. There will be roughly 25,000 pillars for a distance of 680 kilometers. The pillars built using a reinforced concrete, tunneling mountains to keep a road straight. Now we talk about the third component of this transportation system, propulsion, and it's an important one. Linear accelerators are constructed along the length of the tube at various locations to accelerate the capsules. Starters are located to the capsule to transfer the momentum to the capsules via linear accelerators. Capsules are accelerated by linear magnetic induction and deaccelerate by a regenerative braking similar to magnetic levitation trains. The hyperloop uses a linear reduction motor to accelerate and deaccelerate the capsule, as I say in the points. This provides several important benefits over a permanent magnet motor. Now talk about the routes that the hyperloop follows. There will be a station at the Los Angeles and San Francisco. Several stations along the way will be possible with the splits in the tube. The majority of the route will follow the highway and tube will be constructed in the median. Now we talk about the advantages. The tube has many advantages because it's like when the passenger is ready to travel, then the hyperloop can be more ready. Inexpensive, hyperloop is very inexpensive, safer, fast, environmental friendly, sustainable, using solar power, decrease the traffic, resist to the earthquake, and more convenient than the other modes of transport. Now talk about the limitations. When we use the less pressure instead of vacuum, then we need to increase the diameter of the tube, or go slow or really fast. But increasing the speed that will become very, so the cost is very expensive. A battery can't store enough energy to power a fan over a whole journey, so electric motors are around. Induction motor role that flat is provided. So in the end, I concluded that a high-speed transportation system known as a hyperloop introduced here. It's basically magnetic levitation train in a vacuum tubes, helping in achieving high speeds. It has a various advantages over traditional transport system using conventional magnetic levitation systems. Now here is a short video showing the hyperloop first air test. So the video shows how the hyperloop works. Here are some references. So thanks for watching.